Hello, Julius. Meenakshi Sinha is here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. There is a problem related to the geometry. We have to find the area of this portion, shaded portion. This, as per the figure. Only this portion of the area is to be determined. Area of triangle EFC is equal to what? Condition is, this is the square. ABCD is the square of each arm 30 सेंटीमीटर. एक वर्ग है ABCD, हर भुजा की लंबाई 30 सेंटीमीटर है. It means DA is equal to 30 and AB is also equal to 30 centimeter. This is the midpoint. EA given. EA is equal to DE, that is 30 by 2 is equal to 50 cm. ये भी दे रखा है. Except this, a perpendicular is also drawn from point C on CD at point F. EB पर C से एक perpendicular डाला है at point F पर. एरिया निकालना है इस ट्राइंगल का EFB का. एरिया ऑफ EFB, द शेडेड पोर्शन. इसको करने के लिए पहला दिमाग में आता है that first of all we should determine the area of this triangle CEB, and then we detect the area of CFB, can find very easily. So this area of this triangle can be found very easily because this is the base, which is 30 centimeter, and this is, if we drop perpendicular from here, will be the height of the point. This will be the height of this triangle. So that this into this by 2 will be the area of the total triangle. Area of triangle CEB is nothing but will be equal to 30 into 30 by 2. कैसे? That this can be written as CB into AB by 2, because this is the height. If we drop the perpendicular, then this will be equal to CB. That is equal to 50 into 30. 4 3s are 45. 450 centimeter square will be the area of this triangle. पूरा whole CBE का पूरा त्रिभुज का area निकल आया. Now we have to deduct from here this portion, the area of this portion. Now our problem is only to find the area of CFB. CFB में this is given to us CB. Only this is known to us. This is 30. In order to find this area, we should drop the perpendicular. यहाँ से हम perpendicular drop कर देते हैं. ये मैंने perpendicular drop कर दिया. This is point. Let us suppose this point is G. So FG will be the height of this triangle and area will be equal to CB into FG by 2. FG, first of all, we have to find the FG. FG कैसे निकालें? अब इसको FG निकालने के लिए we have to take a new step. Let us suppose this angle is equal to alpha and this is the complementary angle is equal to beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 90. In this triangle, this is 90 already. ये 90 है. So this is alpha, this will be beta. If this is alpha, this will also be angle alpha. Clear? Because we have dropped perpendicular, this is just parallel to AB. Okay. Now this is alpha and the whole is 90. It means this will be beta. Okay. This angle, this portion will be black one. Because whole angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree, out of which this is alpha, this is beta, and this is alpha. Clear? Okay. Now if this is beta in this triangle, BFA, this whole is 90. This is beta, then this is will be alpha. Clear? Okay. Our aim is only to find the value of FG so that we can find the area of this triangle CFB. हमारा एम ये है कि FG की वैल्यू निकाल लें जिससे कि हम ये गुणे ये बटे 2 करके ये वाला पोर्शन का एरिया निकाल लें। तो पहला ये तो हमें पता है, ये हमें निकालना है, FG निकालना है। FG निकालने के लिए ये ट्रायंगल जो है, देखिए, this triangle FGB, this is beta, this is alpha, this is 90. Similarly, the triangle CFE, this is beta, this is alpha, this is 90. Similarly, this triangle EBA, this alpha, this beta, this 90. It means all the three angles are just similar to each other, angle by angle similarity है इन तीनों में angle similarity है. It means that ratio of the perpendicular to base in each of the triangle will be same, or base upon hypotenuse in each will be same. इसकी base बटे इसका hypotenuse will be इसकी base, और इसका hypotenuse इसकी base बस इसका hypotenuse. दो ratios, क्योंकि एंगल सिमिलरिटी इनके अंदर है तीनों ट्रायंगल के अंदर, एंगल सिमिलरिटी. अब हमारा काम है FG को निकालना. FG को निकालने के लिए FG सिर्फ दो ट्रायंगल में आता है, CFG and FGB. We are having FG in only two triangles, that is FGB and CFB. Now, FGB. Let us suppose this portion is X. Okay, and this is Y. It means GB is equal to Y and CG is equal to X. It means CG is equal to X and GB is equal to Y. Then CB, that is X plus Y हो जाएगा. Clear? Okay. That is equal to 30, जो वास्तव में 30 के बराबर है. Okay. This plus this is equal to 30, out of which this is X, this is Y. Now we are taking the triangle FGB for angle alpha. For angle alpha in triangle FGB. Base, we are taking base upon perpendicular. This will be equal to FG upon GB. Okay, FG upon GB. And also we are taking in triangle, this will also be equal to in triangle CFG for angle alpha, that is perpendicular FG, perpendicular upon base, that base is equal to base upon perpendicular is equal to CG upon FG. CG upon FG. It means, देखिए, CG is base for this angle. CG is base for this angle upon perpendicular for this triangle, in this triangle. For angle alpha, in this triangle CGF, this is base upon perpendicular for this angle. Similarly, for in this triangle, this is base, FG is base and GB is perpendicular. Base FG upon perpendicular, base upon perpendicular, base upon perpendicular. It means FG square, this will be equal to CG into GB upon, okay, CG into GB. Okay. FG square is equal to CG into GB. Okay. This is to be noted. FG square is equal to GB. GB into CG. ठीक. Okay. Now we'll take this triangle ABC. From here, for this angle alpha, base upon perpendicular is equal to 30 upon in triangle, but in triangle ABF for angle alpha. अल्फा एंगल के लिए इस ट्राइंगल में EAB में बेस इज इक्वल टू AB, बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनस किसके बराबर होगा? दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 30 अपॉन EA is equal to 15. That is 2:1. It means this will also be equal to FG upon GB. Base upon perpendicular for angle alpha. Base upon hypotenuse base upon perpendicular, not hypotenuse, perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular for this angle is equal to 2:1, and base upon perpendicular for the same angle but in the triangle FGB is equal to this. So that we can say that FG is equal to 2 times GB. 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 That is also notable. Okay. Now two things is there. FG is equal to 2 times GB and FG square is equal to this portion and this portion. It means here we can write 4 times GB square. This will become here. Putting this here, you will get 4 times GB square. This will be equal to CG into GB. Or GB get cancelled. It means 4 GB equal to CG. 4 times GB is equal to CG. 4 times CB is equal to CG. That is very important for us because, but CB, GB plus GC plus CG is equal to 30. But we are given. In place of CG, we can write 5 times GB. It means 4 times GB. It means GB plus 4 times GB, that is 30. It means GB is equal to 30 upon 5, that is 6. 5 times GB, it means GB. This is another thing is to be noted. ये भी ना ध्यान करिए हमें कि हमने GB की वैल्यू 6 निकाल ली. इसका मतलब ये वाली वैल्यू 6 होगी. This is 6. This portion become equal to 6. It means this is equal to 24. Because total was 30. Now, FG can be obtained because FG is equal to this is FG is equal to total GB. It means FG is equal to from here FG will be equal to 2 into GB. GB was 6. That is 12 centimeter. FGRA. Now, if FGRA, it means the area of this triangle can be obtained. The area of the triangle, which one? CFB. CFB, this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 12 into 30. 1 by 2, this is FG, which is 12 into 30. 1 by 2 base into height, FG was 12, is equal to 6 and 30 is equal to 180. No, this is equal to 360. That is 360 centimeter square. By 2. Yes, 180. This is equal to 180. I was right. It was 180 centimeter square. The area of FG portion. This is this area of CFB. Area of CFB. Now total area is known to us was 450. This was the 4 CEB. The area was 450. And now the area of this portion CBF is 180. Hence now area of shaded region, that is EFG, triangle EFC, area of EFC will be equal to area of AEBC, area of EBC minus area of CFB, area of CFB. Okay, CFB, area of CFB. The EBC was 450 minus 180, that is 270 centimeter square. Answer. This is the answer. So first of all, this was very easy to find the area of this triangle BEC, that is 30 into 30 by 2. Now the question is to find the area of CEF, in which this is the typical way. FG, the main important thing is to find the value of FG. How it is to be determined? इनमें एंगल सिमिलरिटी लिया है इस वाले ट्रायंगल में और इस वाले ट्रायंगल में अल्फा के लिए बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर या परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस का रेशियो ले लिया है और वो बराबर करके उनके रेशियो निकाले हैं, लेकिन इनका एडिशंस क्योंकि बराबर होता है, यहाँ पे भी अल्फा का वही रेशियो लिया है, ये भी सवाल के ये हमें यहाँ पे अल्फा का रेशियो परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस पता है 15:30. So perpendicular upon base for angle alpha is 1 by 2. So that 1 by 2 can be used over here also, can also be used for this angle, and we can find the value of this portion. Okay, I think you have enjoyed it. It was a very interesting questions. थोड़ा कंसंट्रेशन जरूरत है, इसमें आराम से करेंगे, कोई भी निकाल सकता, थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है, ये ध्यान रखना. देखिए अल्फा का रेशियो जो है बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर दे रखा है हमें 30:50, ये दे रखा है बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर के लिए. परपेंडिकुलर बेस लिए, अगर आप परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस लेते हैं इस एंगल के लिए तो हर जगह आप उस एंगल के लिए परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस लेंगे. अगर बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर लेते हैं तो हर जगह इसके लिए, इस एंगल के लिए लेना यही वाला एंगल है, क्योंकि इसी एंगल के लिए हमें चीज पता है. और इस एंगल के लिए इससे भी निकालें, इससे भी निकालें, इन दोनों का जोड़ एडिशन है। एफ की दो एफ जी की वैल्यू दो ट्राइंगल से निकाली है, एक बार इस वाले ट्राइंगल में और एक बार इस वाले ट्राइंगल में, दोनों को आपस में बराबर करके एफ की वैल्यू निकाल ली, एफ जी की वैल्यू निकाल ली। एफ जी की वैल्यू निकालने के बाद उसको हमने बेस और परपेंडिकुलर से गुणा करके इसका एरिया निकाला, टोटल एरिया में से एरिया घटा दिया। बस दिस वाज द process, this was the trick. So that please, I think you have enjoyed it, and if you are the new viewer, please subscribe me, like me and comment me also, और लाइक करिए, शेयर कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को बढ़ाने में मेरी मदद कीजिए। थैंक यू, गुड नाइट, सो यू, सी यू एंड गुड लक, बाय।